Hi everyone, welcome to our TLE 10 quarter for week 6. Objectives: 1. Discuss the principles of food presentation. 2. Demonstrate serving meat dishes using suitable plates. 3. Appreciate the importance of presenting meat dishes aesthetically and hygienically. Learning Task 1. Directions. Form the word from the given letters inside the box and answer the questions below. Questions. 1. What word did you form? 2. Will you give your idea about the word that you formed? Learning Task 2. Directions. Read the information below. About presenting meat dishes aesthetically and hygienically. Plate presentation techniques. Plate size. Your plate should be big enough to make your food stand out, and petite enough to prevent your portions from looking small. Light versus dark plates. Use light and dark plates to make your meal stand out. White plates are popular because they offer a neutral background for brightly colored foods. Dark plates blend beautifully to light-colored dishes. Plate color can stimulate or reduce appetite. Red increases the appetite, so serving appetizers on red plates keeps customers interested in ordering large entrees and desserts. Restaurant style. The classic China dinnerware will pair well with traditional plating styles. Principles of food presentation. Start with a canvas to begin plating the perfect dish. You must start with a canvas, or in this case, a dish. While you may be tempted to pull any old plate from your cabinet, there is more to it than that. The perfect placement. Now that you have your canvas, it's time to make some art. The placement of your ingredients is crucial for a perfect plate. This is where scientific facts come in to create aesthetically pleasing dishes. The clock guidelines. Pretend your plate is a clock. Imagine the numbers along the edges to help guide where you should place certain foods. By following these rules, your meal will be evenly plated. 1. Between 12 and 3. You should plate your vegetables to between 3 and 9, as your meat will sit 3. Between 9 and 12. Starches. Here are the clock diagram. Utilize white space to create the perfect plate. Spread out your food and leave parts of the dish empty. This will make your meal look cleaner, more elegant, and overall more professional. Moist ingredients. First, place moist ingredients, such as mashed potatoes or purees, on the dish before other elements. You can then place the rest of your meal on top of. or beside these moist ingredients to keep them from shifting and ruining your perfect plate. Next we have, always use odd numbers. When serving individual foods, always plate them in odd numbers because the brain finds them more pleasing than even numbers. Let us come now to the details. Use complementary colors. A colorful, bright meal will look more attractive and taste better than a dull, colorless dish. Create a focal point and add a burst of color. You can use herbs, vegetables, or fruit as accent colors if the main dish seems a little bland. Lastly, utilize your white space. The final touches. Drizzle your sauces. Think of your squeeze bottles as your paintbrush, adding the final touches to your canvas. Add accent dots to the white space. Drizzle your sauce across the food. Outline a ring on the plate's outer edges or create a unique design. Thoughtful garnishes. Adding garnish to your plate can be a complete game changer. However, you should not overdo it with garnishes. While it's a great way to add some more color and texture to the plate, there should be ingredients that will go well with your meal. You will want to avoid garnishes with a strong, overpowering smell, so as not to ruin the main dish. For finishing touches, take a napkin to clean up any splotches or smears that may have accidentally shown up. Our learning task 3, directions. Tell what principle of food presentation are the following. Write only the letter. I start with a canvas. B, perfect placement. C, details. D, final touches. Alright, are you done? Please read for our learning task 4. Thank you. Directions. Read the quotation. Then answer the questions below. Written task, directions. A, fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Performance task directions. Cook a meat dish of your own choice, either a dry or saucy meat dish. Try to present it by applying the principles of food presentation and using a suitable plate for your chosen dish. You may attach photo documentation or narration of how this activity was done.